How does an Aster missile intercept an airborne or ballistic target? It all starts with an initial target detection by the radar. The system categorizes and identifies the target and predicts its trajectory. The system assesses the threat that the attacking missile presents and starts computing the interception trajectory. When the conditions are right, the operator decides to fire an Aster missile. After a rapid acceleration lasting a few seconds, the booster runs out of propellant. The terminal stage of the Aster missile ignites, and it continues flying toward the target. On its course towards its target, the Aster missile regularly receives information from the radar on the ground, mainly to counter possible escape maneuvers of the target. When it reaches the proper range, the Aster missile switches on its seeker, which, once locked onto the target, can guide the missile autonomously. A few meters before interception, the Aster missile applies a set of hot gas jets at its center of gravity to make it practically stick to the target and intercept it through a direct hit.